Hi everyone, welcome to my creative studio. Today I am making a coconut cream soap, but it's just gonna be a coconut cream, shea, butter, melt and pour base. So I think I said that right. Coconut cream, shea butter, melt and pour base. And I'm in a very different area today. This is not my area to work in. It's really small, tight, and congested here. And I will bring you back to Mix My Life. I'm using the double boiler method to make this soap, because it's important to have your soap at a certain temperature, below 100, about 150 to 160 Fahrenheit is good, because you don't want to burn the soap. So I use a double boiler method, and I'm going to check the temperature, bring you back for the rest of the process of this soap making. Okay, let's check on the soap here. Looks like it's all gelled. I do have to put a bit of shea butter in here. I think maybe I should leave it after. And see, it's all gel and it's not burned, yay. And I can't take a temperature reading because my digital thermometer doesn't work. And I'll stick this in here and see what I get here. What's the temperature like here? Okay, I'm going to add the propylene glycol. And I'll leave this to cook for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. See if I can get to break that down. I hope I don't have to add any more. I have enough in there, but we will see. We will see. We will see. Pretty chunked. This is. Sure, have enough water in there. Adding some water to the pot so that it does not incorporated here. Okay, sorry I missed a few steps. I did throw off some of that's the result of the melt and pour coconut cream shea melt and pour. And I had some that was all lumpy, and I put a bit more propylene glycol in it and some distilled water, and I shall see. I shall pour it off. Oh, too hot. It's some rubbing alcohol, and I will put this into the fridge. Okay, I am finished with my melt and pour soap base. This was sweating like crazy at the top, so I took the top off, and the top part have all this, looks like stearic or unsponified oils, which I should not have added any super fat. I super fat with shea butter because I forgot to put that in when I was making my soap, so I will not do that next time. And this soap is sweating. It's crystallized at the sides. It's very, very cold, and I think with the stearic, being stearic, it crystallized the stearic, and it's okay to use. I did cut a piece off and test. Yes, it has. And I have some nice bubbly. From this stick. So, nice bubbles. Very nice bubbles. Okay, thank you for watching. I will update you. I did have another soap that I made. This one here is absolutely soft and sweaty, and it's like, I wanted to make this one a bit more transparent, but I don't think it worked. It just came out too soft. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.